Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and delete any viruses on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Remove website data. Sometimes viruses hide in website data. If you want to clear that but still keep your browsing history, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Safari. Now scroll all the way down, tap Advanced. Then tap Website Data. Finally tap Remove all website data. This clear out junk from websites without touching your history. Solution 2. Delete unnecessary files. Open the Files app. Look in both iCloud Drive and on my iPhone, especially under Downloads. If you find files you don't recognize, press and hold, then tap Delete. After that, go to Recently Deleted folder. Select everything and delete permanently. Solution 3. Software Update. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Then tap Software Update. Here check that if any update is available, then tap Update. Solution 4. Remove unknown profiles or VPNs. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management. If you see a profile or VPNs you don't recognize, tap it and select Remove Profile. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.